Reviews best motorcycles with Panniers Aprilia Tuono V4 1100 factory. Good evening, and welcome to our show. Tonight, we're diving into the world of sport touring motorcycles, specifically those that offer excellent touring capabilities with panniers. We have a real gem to showcase, the Aprilia Tuono V4 1100 factory. This versatile machine has been making waves in the motorcycle community, and we're here to break down why. Background and description. The Aprilia Tuono V4 1100 factory is a powerful and comfortable touring motorcycle designed for long-distance travel. It's powered by a 1,100 cubic centimeters V4 engine that delivers a smooth and torquey performance, perfect for highway cruising and off-road exploration. Key features and benefits. One of the standout features of the Tuono V4 1100 factory is its versatile pannier system. These storage compartments are designed to securely hold a variety of gear, making it ideal for long-distance travel. The bike also comes with a large windshield for wind and weather protection, heated grips and seats, and ample storage space. In terms of off-road capabilities, the Tuono V4 1100 factory excels. It features a long travel suspension, knobby tires, and a robust chassis that are designed to handle challenging terrain. The bike also has multiple riding modes, allowing riders to adjust the power delivery and traction control to suit different riding conditions. Design and aesthetics. The Tuono V4 1100 factory has a rugged and adventurous design, with a sleek and aerodynamic shape. Its chrome accents and bold styling give it a timeless appeal. Target audience and relevance. The Tuono V4 1100 factory is ideal for riders who are looking for a luxurious and comfortable touring motorcycle with ample storage space. Its powerful engine, advanced features, and iconic design make it a top choice for those who want to hit the open road in style. Expert reviews. The Tuono V4 1100 factory has received positive reviews from both critics and riders. Many praise its powerful engine, comfortable ride, and luxurious features. One reviewer from Motorcyclist magazine said, "The Tuono V4 1100 factory is a fantastic choice for riders who want a premium touring motorcycle. It's comfortable, powerful, and a lot of fun to ride." Comparison to other touring motorcycles. When compared to other popular touring motorcycles, the Aprilia Tuono V4 1100 factory stands out for its versatility and value. Its smaller displacement engine makes it more fuel efficient and easier to handle than some larger options, making it a great choice for new riders or those on a budget. Conclusion. The Aprilia Tuono V4 1100 factory is a well-rounded touring motorcycle that offers a great combination of style, performance, and comfort. Its versatile pannier system, advanced features, and powerful engine make it a perfect choice for riders who want to explore new destinations. So, if you're looking for a luxurious and capable adventure motorcycle, the Tuono V4 1100 factory is definitely worth considering.